the equality first comes as a fundamental way you look at the other person. Next, I'll go to Astha.
Hello.
Hi, Astha.
Hi. बच्चे सुनते ही नहीं आजकल and especially for screen time. Like I'm a doctor and I have to be continuous on WhatsApp for suggesting patient with some medicines or something. So she's like, अगर आप देख रही हो तो मैं भी देखूंगी and I want to keep her away from screen. So sometimes I have to scold her. That's the only thing I'm left with.
Yeah.
I can't avoid it.
No, that's understandable.
How you have to treat your 4-year-old child equally? I want to know.
Again, I must specify here, the equality first comes as a fundamental way you look at the other person. That's more like it. So basically, the same thing applies here. Like I just said to her, if you have to use your authority, that's fine. Sometimes you do have to. And in this case also, you're right. You have to draw boundaries. You have to cut down their screen time. But if I ask you, why are you doing it? Then you have good reasons for it because it's not healthy for them, right? So you have good reasons to use your authority. And that's what we want to get. I am not saying at all that leave, because I already said there are cultural hierarchies and they are inevitable and they're useful also, because as a parent, it's your duty to sometimes draw boundaries because the child could be hurting themselves, right? So if the boundaries that you have placed for your child, if they are reasonable, then you should be able to do it. But the question is how you do it. And for that, like you said, sometimes it does get, you do scold. And for that, I would say, once you do have the authority, you can find a way to have better approach to applying authority, which is you actually don't need a lot of anger. Think about this. Most of your anger that you are using while scolding the child or whatever the emotions are, they are not actually making you a better boss in the house. They are just a reflection of your internal state, that you are annoyed in this moment. That's why you're scolding. It's not making your authority better. For authority, you don't actually need much anger. You just need to be very strict. You need to have a straight face. You need to be able to give consequences. You need to have a stern stance. If you want good authority, you can do that very calmly. You can do that with just strength of your voice and your decisions. Okay. So suggestion would be, so there are two separate things. You have to manage your own emotions, but still be very strong outside. Okay. So that would be the way to really be a reasonable, calm, but still a strong boss or somebody higher up in the hierarchy. Okay. If you wish to take counseling from us, go to our website page www.sridharlifeschool.com/counsel. Click on this link and fill this application form. We will get back to you soon. I would be doing these online meetings with you all regularly for some time. If you wish to attend these meetings live on Zoom, save the details. If you need reminders, we also send invitations to you personally on email and Telegram app. To get reminders, do the following.